everyone. So a very happy birthday to all you September born blessed souls, and a very sorry that I have not posted this video in the beginning of the month as I always promise, but there has been some sort of ups and downs in my health, so that was a reason. And thank you all for your prayers. I know many of you were praying and sending me healing and everything, but I'm perfectly fit and fine now. So a very happy birthday. May you all have a blessed year ahead. And let's see what the cards are going to talk for you. And because I was not able to post it on time, so as a special bonus I have these two special readings for you at the end of the reading. And those who love seeing my readings, do leave a comment and share this with your family and friends. Do like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the notification icon, as I always say, so that you're notified, and spread it to your September born friends so that they will also be happy. And I hope you all enjoy your birthday and also have a lot of blessed abundance in the years to come. So let's start. I will start with a general reading first. Okay. The first card which has come for the September borns are Trapped in Fear. I shall explain the cards, what it means. Deception and envy. Now don't worry, cards are not coming good. What will Pinky Ji say and all that. There's nothing like that to worry. Okay, so now trapped in fear. Now what is happening is, maybe you all are having a feel that what if things don't work out, what if whatever has been happening in the past continues in the future, and what can we do to come out of this issue. And sometimes you feel that people are trying to cheat on you, people are envious on you, people are trying to have a negativity towards you, or I would say I feel that you are watching someone talking wrong about you. And you must be wondering, what is this card that I picked? This says Heartache and Loss. So maybe some of you have recently lost someone whom you love the most, and that is a very unbearable loss that you have been facing. And maybe some of you have had a breakup. I don't see it as something coming. That was the reason I didn't show this card first. I feel that something has happened which has been a heartbreak for you. So now, since these cards have been giving a very gloomy picture, I will be picking two more cards here. But see, I will tell you all, this is a general reading, okay, and we will be working separately on your healing, on your finances, on your love and everything. So this is how. See, now this is a beautiful card. It's a beautiful two pillars card which says patience and planning. So I feel here what the cards are saying is, this is all which has been happening, or you are trying. See, sometimes what happens is, when we have been seeing a certain pattern, we tend to get scared, we tend to have the fear. Now that fear only attracts repeated patterns. Now if you don't want a repeated pattern to come in your life, then you have to stop having a fear for that. For example, in my past this has happened, will it happen again? Now if you're going to work towards that fear, then obviously you're going to attract that fear, because we always attract repeated patterns in our life, simple because we are stuck with it. We are so much stuck with it in our inner subconscious that it doesn't let go of it. So now this is proper patience and planning. So if any of this has been happening, have the patience and plan it in such a way that you come out of it. In this card, more than anything else, I see the number which is 7, and I see the rainbow colors. If you see here, I don't know because I'm just recording. So if you see here, it has the 7 and it has the rainbow colors. Now this rainbow colors, I feel more is blessing of the divine. I feel the God is giving his brightness and he is blessing you, so that with whatever patience you people work on, you will be successful and you will be really happy that things are working in your favor. So I will pull one more card from this before I go to the next one. Okay. Mental conflict. Now again, this is a beautiful card. I have said plan, patience and planning. Your mind is not allowing you to work the way you're planning. So now you need to work on it. Now if you see here, there's a mind inside the mind, a small mind inside the mind. So maybe heart of heart something is telling you, yes, do this, but your mind says, no, what if it goes wrong? So always understand one thing. Maybe I do that. I always listen to my heart, because I feel when you listen to your heart, end of the day, at least you're happy that you did what you felt like doing. And also sometimes, or most of the times in my case actually, my heart has always told me the right decisions. So follow your heart, don't go by the verdict of what the mind is telling. Follow your heart, and I'm sure it's going to be a good decision and you're going to really work good. So as I said, don't worry, that why are the cards come like this. Is just a general situation the cards are talking about. Let's see what is your health the coming year. Now when I say coming year, it is from this September till August 2022. So it's for the whole year. Okay, so it's up to your coming year's birthday, basically, to be very precise. Okay, health. Use your natural healing abilities. Now this is a beautiful card. It says just use your natural healing abilities. So it means that there's nothing much to worry. Health is going to be good. Now supposing you have a headache, you can just do your sujok, or you can do your reiki, you can do your lama fera, you can do just any healing modality that you have. But here I see that the person is having a pet in the hand. So maybe you are a pet lover, and for you, your healing is just spending time with your pet. So if sometimes you feel stressed out, sometimes you feel there are a lot of mental blockages happening, just sit and spend some time with him or her, specifically your pet, and you will feel you're very, very happy and relaxed. It says call upon Archangel Rafael for help. So now you can call Rafael. Now when you call Rafael, I'm sure he's going to come. Now what can you do? Sometimes when I say call on archangels, people ask me, Pinky, we don't know how to do it. How do we do it? Now when I say Rafael, all you have to do is just close your eyes and say, I call on Archangel Rafael to come here and shower its blessings on me to keep me healthy, fit and fine. Now after you say this, you will imagine Rafael coming there, and from his hand there's a beautiful light, a light green light coming from your crown chakra, entering your body, and it is energizing you fully. It's healing you fully. It is removing all the negative energies, unwanted energies, toxic energies. Just do this every day and you will feel perfectly in good health. Actually, more than anything else, you'll feel as if the health is really, really good. Okay, now coming to your financial year. Okay, so how are my finances? Detachment. See, somewhere I think emotionally there's a lot of roller coaster ride happening. Okay, but the second card is again good. Now detachment. Now you see here, this card has a crow and a woman sitting on top. Okay, now the detachment card here actually says that don't have attachment towards certain worries, because now when you worry, what happens? Your root chakra gets blocked. Now when your root chakra gets blocked, automatically you will not be able to attract the finances that you desire. You will not be able to make the money the way you want to make. You will not be able to attract the projects that you're looking at. So why don't you just leave all that and just understand one thing, that there are good things coming in front of you. Just accept it the way it's coming. The next card which has come is guidance. Now in this guidance it says you need to just follow what your mind. Now here it says something else. When I'm seeing this thing, there's a ship which is just going the way the direction of the wind is taking it, according to me. So I feel just ask for guidance from your angels, archangels, from the divine, and I'm sure some sort of a sign, because here I see butterfly again. So maybe angels will show you their sign as to what you can do to come out of this financial issues, or how to work with your finances and how to make your financial abundance better this year. I want to pull one more card. I just feel I should pull. Okay, now these are signs. I can see, that's why I say card stock. So here also, this also says that it will give you signs. You will be known, or there will be instincts or some divine messages which will take you through, and you will understand that okay, this is what you need to do, and this is how you need to work on your finances. So I don't see any trauma in your finances or any losses in your finances. It's good. So just work towards it. Let go of your fears and let go of your troubles that is troubling you, and just go with the flow. So now, how is my love life going to be? September born. How is your love lives? Let's see. I'll just pick a card from the middle. That's what I'm feeling guided to. Okay. It's a beautiful card, new beginning. So it's a white dove or a white pigeon. A new adventure awaits you. So now if you're looking for a life partner, then this year chances are very, very high that you get a life partner. And if you're looking for your love to become better, then chances are very high that your love life is going to really, really improve. Now in seeing this, I just feel keep a rose quartz with you, carry a rose quartz with you, or keep it in your southwest of the bedroom, and intend that you're attracting the best in the life. Now, this is the second card which has come. If you could be anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart. Go by your heart. I told you in the beginning of the reading that just go with the heart. Go do what your heart says. So this also somewhere says that heart is the gateway to the soul. So somewhere even the cards are telling you, be it your personal life, be it your career, be it your finances, just go with what your heart says, and I'm sure you are going to be successful, and things are going to be beautiful, and blessed for you this year. Life purpose. What is your purpose this year? Those two are my end cards. So we will first see what is your life purpose for this year. Not the whole life. I always pick life purpose for that year, what I'm meant to do. Okay, trust. See, again, just trust in the divine. Just trust. Whatever has happened, leave it. Trust him, and I'm sure he's going to do. I always trust him. I always trust my Merlin. I always trust my Baba. And I know one thing, when I trust them, I am rest assured that things are just going to fall in place. So I have done your main cards. I'm going to work on your surprise cards now. So again, do like my channel, subscribe the channel, leave a comment as to how you felt these readings were. This is your fortune cookie for this year. What is the fortune cookie saying? Let's see. I love my fortune cookie cards actually. So is your fortune cookie? Okay, planning. Again, it says just plan. Now I feel you just need to plan. If you plan, things will fall in place. I don't know, when I'm just doing these cards now, and I felt the Baba candle just flickering. So maybe these are the Baba candles that I make. But what you can do is just pick a plain blue candle and burn it in front of Baba if you are a Baba follower, or just burn it in your room and communicate to the universe that it gives you ideas, signs, and it helps you in planning your year, and you're able to do the things the way you wanted it to do. So it's a beautiful card. It just says planning. Just do planning. I want to pick one more in this. Okay, major life changes. So it's going to be good life changes for you. It's going to be a positive life changes for you. So somewhere the fortune cookies are saying good things are coming. So just go with it. Now this is my other affirmative cards, which I had kept it for you all to for you all to do. I am courageous and powerful. Every day in the morning, say this. I am courageous and powerful. Look at the lion here. You are this lion. You can do it. You can actually do it. All you have to do is every day morning, maybe say 11 times, I am courageous and powerful. In the mornings, you can say I am courageous and powerful when you're burning the blue candle. And again, every day in the night, end of the night, when you come back home, I explore my wildness and dance and pleasure. I repeat, I explore my wildness and dance and pleasure. Now you see here, there's a beautiful moon and a person standing under the moon. What you can do is on full moons, or whenever you get the time, just go and just stand in your balcony where you can see the moon and get the blessings of the moon, and ask her to keep blessing you. And if possible, on Mondays at night, just burn one white candle. You can apply in it rose oil, and just burn a white candle saying that the moon is blessing me. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a blessed year ahead. May God bless you with all the happiness and all the good things that you deserve, and may you have the best of years to come. Thank you, and do share, subscribe it, and do like it, and leave a comment as to what you felt the reading was, so that month after month that keeps encouraging me that I should bring in videos like this. Thank you.